Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Coinbase for crypto trading step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Coinbase website at www.coinbase.com. Click on the Get Started button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Provide your full name in the designated field. Enter your email address. Create a strong password that meets the security guidelines. Tick the box to agree to Coinbase user agreement and privacy policy. Click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Coinbase. Open the email and click on the verification link. Return to the Coinbase website to continue the registration process. Provide your mobile phone number. Select your country of residence from the drop-down menu. Choose whether to receive a text message or a phone call for verification. Enter the verification code sent to your phone. Complete any additional personal information requested, such as your date of birth and address. Review and confirm your identity by submitting the required identification documents. Follow any additional prompts to ensure your account complies with regulations. Once your identity is verified, log into your newly created account. Set up two-factor authentication for added security. Link your bank account or credit card for future transactions. You are now ready to start trading on Coinbase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.